Every business owner knows they're losing leads on their website, but they don't know how to fix it. So they'll keep paying for traffic to their website, but all the visitors that go to the website leave. What if you could show them this exact leak in 30 seconds, then show them the plug? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to drop an AI agent onto any website to capture all visitors and book them automatically. And the best part is, I'm giving this entire AI setup away for free. So the first thing is I need to show you the problem. So I'm not picking on this website. I'm just something I pulled up because we're going to be going over locksmiths. So first things first, I have to show you what the problem is so you understand the solution. So if we come to a website like this, and I know this is not the best website, and by the way, I'm not trying to pick on these people, it's just an example. There's not really any real capture other than this phone number, which is not the best, and it's just not great. But even websites I see that are nicer and look cleaner, they still don't have easy lead capture. It's like a form or something where you have to go a lot further, then you have to wait to get a response. It's just not ideal. What we want is we want an AI agent, okay, that does this selling for them. So what I have here is I have this self-selling demo, but as you see right here, it has AI agents in here. So you can do the whole, email, text message chat, and you can even talk to the website live. That is how incredibly powerful this is, where you can actually see it and chat with it. So this is what we want, but we can also use this exact demo, okay, with another agent to sell it to local businesses. Obviously, we're just using locksmiths as the example, but you can use any niche with this. So like this is really powerful because not only is it turning their website into a 24/7 sales machine, you're actually also using this exact demo to sell itself to said business owner. And if real quick, if you're like, there's no way these AI agents sell themselves, this is all fake, check this out.
And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
No, and I'm not kidding. It was like the agent sold itself. Straight up. It sold itself.
When you do that, now they're selling themselves because they're now viewing it like their customers will view it.
Now, I have a ton more people just like that have been able to sell this using these demos that literally sell themselves. So by the way, that's not a guarantee that's going to happen to you, but that is the power of these demos and, quite frankly, these AI agents for local businesses. It is an absolute game changer. So now that you understand exactly what's going on, let's really get into this video where I'm going to show you how to reach out to these local businesses, okay, using the self-selling demo. So we send it to them. Then once we send it to them, going through and actually building out these AI agents really fast. And I have these all for you for free, so don't worry. So that way we can onboard them like that. So we're gonna be going over all of that in the video. We're gonna go as fast as we can. I'm not gonna waste any time. We're gonna jump right into it. Also, if you have questions or you're confused at all, drop a comment down below and I will answer personally. So first things first is we need to set this entire thing up, okay? And then once we have it set up and you understand it, we then need to go to local businesses and send them said self-selling demo, which I'm gonna walk you through in a sec, that guides them through this entire process. So let's start with step number one, which is building out, okay, an AI voice agent or an AI chat widget in general for any business so we can capture said leads. So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a vibe coder. It's the easiest way to do it. I use Go High Levels. By the way, I have a 30-day free trial down below. I'll get into that a little bit later. Right now, just watch the video so you can see how cool this is. But don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you some course. So we have this right here, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly take this exact website. We're gonna copy the URL because I'm gonna show you the fast way to do this. And we're just gonna paste it right in here. Now, again, this is the website I pulled up. For you, you're gonna go and find a local business, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you that in a sec, but I just wanna let you know that I've already done the step already. So we're gonna copy this exact URL, we're gonna paste it right in here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, please build me an AI voice agent off of this website and business. Boom. And then we're going to click enter. And what this AI builder is going to do is it's going to build an AI voice agent for this exact company, this, these guys right here. And then it's basically going to build it in their likeness. So from there, all we have to do is then go to said business, okay, and connect them with it. And that is where our demo is going to come in. But first, let me show you exactly how amazing this AI builder is. Boom, look at that. It's all done. Our agent is active. Let us see what it says. It says CM lock and key assistant. So we're going to come to AI agents. I'm going to show you how awesome this is. We're going to go to voice AI. We're going to go to agent list, and right there it is. Look at that, built in seconds. Look at this. Look how good this is. Let's test this right away to see if this thing works.
Hey, you've reached Costa Mesa Lock and Key, Orange County's trusted locksmith since 1976. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing? I can't get in my door. I locked myself out.
I understand, that's stressful. Let's get someone to you right away. Can you share your current location?
Yeah, 7489 White Hart Lane, Winchester, Virginia.
Got it. So that's 7489 White Hart Lake, Winchester, Virginia. Let me quickly grab your name and phone number so we can.
Okay, perfect. It's going to go through and do the whole booking. This actually looks really good. Look at this. It's like fully decked out. We saw that. We built this in minutes. Okay, as you see here, how cool was that? That's how simple these tools are. So now that we have this agent built and we've tested it, we then can reach out to said business and use this self-selling demo to sell itself to them. That is how simple this is. So without further ado, let's get into that. So what we need to do now, because we have our AI voice agent, is you need to go to Google and you need to type in your niche and then your location. You can do this with any niche, any location. That is the beauty of these AI agents. But what we have to do is we now have to find the local businesses. So step number one is go in, find them, go to their websites and find any of them that do not have, okay, AI voice agents like the one we just created, which if you want to know what that looks like, it's this thing right here that you can talk to and yada, yada, yada. It's what we just went over. So then once you find the ones that don't have that, so if we come to these guys and we click website, I do not see a real AI voice agent. See, I don't see it. We go to these guys, I don't see it. Okay, I just see call now. So you can go and you can find it. So the people that don't have it, those are your leads. So once you have them, you then want to reach out to them via text if it's compliant, email, social media DM, walk in, cold call, send them a piece of mail, et cetera, et cetera. And what you want to do is you then want to just send them this self-selling demo. That is the way this works, okay? Because what we don't want to do is we don't want to just call them and go, I have AI, it's amazing, and just yap. That is going to scare them away because everyone and their mother right now is telling businesses to have AI, but no one is showing it. Okay, does this make sense? You have to show, not tell. That is the beauty of these self-selling demos is you just send them this link. And by the way, this is completely free. I'm giving it to you in this video so you can just get it set up. And again, I just want to make this abundantly clear. You can do this for any niche. Just a quick tip. This isn't just for locksmiths. This is any service-based business. But once you find them, you reach out and you just send them this link. So let me walk you through how this demo works. So you come in, okay, you send them this link, okay, to any of these businesses, and it tells them exactly what to do. So it's selling them. So it says, still losing urgent leads who never call or book. Boom, boom, boom. It shows you exactly what to do. They can click anywhere, and then immediately arrows show them exactly where to go. So they go, oh, wow, look at this. They click this, and then they have options to chat and talk to these AI voice agents. So they can do the email, phone chat where they submit this and it's going to collect their information like a slow capture. They can do a live chat, which is an AI chat bot. So hello. And then what this is going to do is it's going to go through and it's going to assign a person, which is just an AI chatbot. As you see, it's going to chat right there. And then last but not least, we have Cindy who can actually make the website talk. So if you have someone that wants to talk to a website, we have this, which is much, much better. So check this out.
Hey, you've reached Costa Mesa Lock and Key, Orange County's trusted locksmith since 1976. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, Cindy? I am trying to currently get into my house because it has been locked out.
I understand. That sounds stressful. Let's get someone to you right away. Can you share your...
So I have no idea how the locksmith industry works, but this is the whole idea is that this agent, okay, is going to basically sell them as if they were a lead of the business. Okay, so this is really important. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. So make sure if this confuses you, drop a comment. But this first agent, because you're going to see a second one pop up, but this first agent, the whole goal is to sell the local business on how it's selling their leads, not them. Very important. This is called building the proof. Okay, this is the whole point. You do not want this agent going, here, buy it. That's what the second agent does. This one goes and shows them, the business owner, as if it was selling their clients. That's where the dollar signs appear in their head because they go, I just tried to book a locksmith, appointment in my local area, and this AI agent did it better than my, receptionist, blah, 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 blah. So it immediately shows them, wow, this thing actually works. So again, it's proving it and it's showing them the value right away, not selling them. Okay, it's selling their leads, not them. From there, once they're done, they go, oh, this is really cool. Arrow comes over here, and then they talk to Maria, who is then going to pitch said local business on the service. Again, this is all built so you don't have to. You just send them this link, okay? Send the business owner this link, just like I told you, via any of those channels, and this takes care of all of it. Again, I'm not guaranteeing it's going to land you a client, but it's going to help tremendously. And then they click this and watch this.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
I did. It was pretty cool. I think it could help my locksmith company.
That's great to hear. A locksmith company is a perfect fit for something like this. Quick responses to website visitors can really help capture leads, especially when people need urgent help. How do your customers usually reach out to you right now? Through your website, phone, or something else?
Via the phone.
Got it. Phone calls make sense for a locksmith business, especially with urgent requests. The system could help by capturing leads.
So it'll go through, and then whatever you want to do, we can tweak this. If you want it to sell the business right on the spot, if you want it to book an appointment for you to talk to the business, it's whatever you want. But the whole point is these demos sell themselves, because we don't want you going in and then having to do a bunch of stuff on top of it. We want to send it to them, and then we prove it to them, and then all you have to do is either talk to them or it sells them, or however your sales process works. But this is how you work smarter, not harder. And again, I've said this probably 20 times, but it's because we need to be reminded more than we need to be taught. And that is that you don't just want to pitch AI, you want to show it. I'm telling you, everyone right now is hearing AI. You look at the news, you look at social media, all we hear is AI, but no one is showing you what it means. And all the businesses I talk to, when they hear AI, they're like, man, this stuff is stupid. But it's because everyone just keeps talking about it and they think ChatGPT. But when you show them it, it's a whole different ballgame. So again, that is going to be step number one. You go in, you send them this demo, it walks them through that. So then once you send it to them, we then are going to discuss pricing and all that other good stuff so you can actually potentially make money off this. But as you showed before, once you do that, you then use the Ask AI and go high level, take their website name just like we did earlier, send it in, and then we're done. It's that easy. Like, this is probably the easiest business model possible. To really keep them on, you have to make sure that it is actually, booking appointments and doing a good job. Otherwise, they're not going to buy it. You have to do a good job in order to make money in the AI agency space. A lot of the gurus online won't tell you that, but that's like how this actually works. So now that you understand the demoing side and the building side, let's go over the pricing side so you can understand if this is a good business opportunity and really what you should be charging for this. So my recommended price point for this exact sort of service is $497 because I think it's the best thing you can offer. Also, real quick, if you're wondering, you're like, who is this guy in a robe just yapping about AI? I'm the GHO Wizard. I've won a ton of awards. Okay, as you see on the screen right here, I'm actually legit, and I've actually walked the walk. So I like to think I know what I'm talking about. Again, am I the best? No, but I've done a lot with this, and I know that if you are, someone looking to make money online or looking for something that actually helps business owners, this is it. Because at the end of the day, guys, really, really important. If you want to make money online, it comes down to one thing. You help other people make money and save time. A lot of the people, these other gurus on YouTube, they're just filling your head with shit. Do this, do that, missed call, text block, all these things that don't matter. Me, I'm trying to show you how to provide the most valuable thing to business owners. Okay, that's it. So that is essentially what we're doing. This is the price point that I think is best, and this is what I think is something that can actually be scaled. So if all of this interests you and you're like, yo, I want this self-selling demo, I want to learn how to sell this even more in depth to local businesses, and I have that 30-day free trial of Go High Level, which is this software right here. It does everything a local business could possibly need, but here's the best part. If you go to their website, it says 14-day free trial, but I actually talked to the team, and down below, I get you a 30-day free trial. That way you can try this risk-free, but on top of that, I'm also going to give you access to my free community. Okay, we're going to talk to people all the time and get motivated. All of my training modules. So you like these self-selling demos? I have tons of them in every niche. Done, dusted. You can just put them out. I have a bunch of really good AI prompts too. But you have all the sales training, all the scripts, everything you could possibly need in here. But more importantly, I give you access up to 7 live coaching calls per week for free. Yes, one's with me where you can talk to me. And like, these calls are free, but as you see here, I'm literally talking to people on Zoom. Like, it's amazing, and it is free. We also have calls with help getting clients, calls with sales, calls with running ads, learning Go High Level, help with Go High Level. I mean, setting up system, and it's all free, guys. And you can message me whenever you want up here. Like, no one is giving away what I'm giving away. Again, the reason I can give this away for free is because High Level pays me to help you guys use the software and potentially make money with it. So my whole goal is, how can I, for free, help you actually use the software to make an income? That is my transparent goal. I'm serious. And I'm being dead serious. Like, I really am. I really believe that this is the greatest AI-powered software on earth. But also, with this community, you're getting access to really like $15,000 worth of bonuses for free. You've probably bought someone's mastermind or course online. They do not give you this amount of shit for free. They don't, okay? But I know I can help you if you're willing to work hard. Also, if you're like, okay, this is great, but this guy's yapping a little too much, look at what people are saying about this community. Check this out.
I'm making $30,000 a month with my AI agency.
I have around 7, and they were all for it.
I landed 4 in my first month.
I was able to sell 3 clients this month, one for $1,000 recurring,
$1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now.
This month, we're going to eclipse 50K.
Look at that. I mean, my God. So I have a ton more just like that. No joke. We have so many winners. I mean, you can even come in the discussion tab, go to share your wins, and you can just scroll through and see the amount of people winning. Again, I'm not guaranteeing that's going to happen to you, but if you're willing to work hard, this is the place to be. Also, because I'm giving you that 30-day free trial, not the 14-day, you can come in and try everything for free. And if you hate it after 30 days, you can leave. Zero risk. No one else is offering this. Zero risk. That is how sure I am. I stand behind what I preach. And I'm willing to say, get rid of the payment gateway and just come on in and try it. Again, you have to be willing to work hard. There's no such thing as getting rich quick, but I really believe I have the absolute best framework for this. I really do. I think it's next level, and I think I can really help. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. So if you're interested, go down below, sign up with that 30 free trial to get access to all of that, plus these amazing self-selling demos. Also, if you guys have any questions, drop them down below. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video that's going to go over 25 different ways to sell clients, whether it be AI services, marketing agency services, whatever. It's going to be 25 different ways. It's completely free. It is literally a free course, and it is insane. And it shows you 25 different ways to sell local businesses. So thanks again for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.